welcome to my channel. If you're new here, I am Shelly, and if you've already been here, as always, thank you guys so much for supporting my channel and welcome back. So in today's video, I am going to be using a foundation that I've had for a little bit of time that I actually forgot about. You know what, I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I thought about it because I saw online that Makeup Shayla got married. Her wedding looked so beautiful, or just from like what I seen was so beautiful. And then I thought about it like, hello, I did purchase the foundation from her Morphe collaboration. So I wanted to use it in today's video. I'm gonna be doing a brown smoky eye. I don't know, I've been just wanting to do these like browns and oranges and peaches and whatever colors that look really, really good on my skin tone. So that's what I'm gonna be doing in today's video. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, like this video, leave me some comments in the comment section below as you're watching. Let me know your thoughts throughout the video. And without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. All right, so first for concealer, I'm gonna be using the Benefit Boing concealer. It's the cakeless concealer. I used this for the first time in one of my recent videos and absolutely fell in love with it. So I'm gonna be using it again today. And I'm just gonna blend this out because the longer it sits, it dries down very quickly. And I'm gonna give myself an instant facelift by bringing the concealer up and just patting it in. For contour, you guys already know I'm going to be using the Huda Beauty Tantour in the shade Medium. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the Morphe foundation. This is the Filter Effect Soft Focus Foundation, medium to full coverage. I am using the shade Filter Rich 27. I am going to blend. Alright, I'm going to set underneath my eyes. I'm using the Juvia's Place I Am Magic setting powder in the shade Kalahari. Alright, I'm going to bronze with the Butter Bronzer by Physicians Formula. I'm in the shade Endless Summer. Now I'm going to go into the Jackie Aina by Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, and I'm going to go into this dark brown shade Credit. I'm just going to swipe that all over my lid. Now I'm gonna go into the shade Ginger, and I'm going to soften out the edges a little bit. And I'm just using the same blending brush to do that. I really wish I would have bought 2 of this palette. I love this palette so much. If you guys know where I can get another one, please let me know. So I'd love to buy another one just to have in case this one runs out, because I'm already hidden pan on Ginger. Now I'm gonna take this glitter eyeliner. It's a dark brown liner in the shade Earth by iamShelly, and I'm just going to line my top lash line. Cute. I went ahead and put on my lashes and filled in my brows. So now I'm gonna do the bottom part of my eye and go back into Credit, and I'm gonna dust that along my lower lash line. For my inner corner, I'm gonna go into the KKW Beauty Classic 2 palette, and I'm gonna go into the shade Neutral and just put that in my inner corner. It's just a matte, like bone color. Now I'm gonna go into my waterline, and I'm using the same brown liner that I used up top by iamShelly. For mascara, I am using, you already know, the Milk mascara, or the Kush mascara by Milk. Wow, that's really pretty. For blush, I have been absolutely loving this cream blush. It's the Tower 28 Luminous Tinted Balm, and it's the Beach Please Golden Hour. I don't know. For highlight, I'm using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit. I'm using the shade Bronze. I cannot for the life of me part from this palette. I really want my skin to be nice and glowy, so I'm gonna go overboard. I'm going to set my face using the Porefessional Super Setter by Benefit. I'm going to line my lips using the KKW Beauty Nude 3 liner. For gloss, I'm going to use the Dose of Colors Hot Cocoa Lip Gloss. Alright you guys, so this completes the final makeup look. I went ahead and put on my earrings, my blue jean jacket. I have on my brown bodysuit from Skims. If I remember, I will insert a picture of my outfit right here. So for my fragrance today, I'm going to take it back to my OG favorite, the Gucci Guilty. Oh, I forgot how much I love that perfume. Thank you guys so much for hanging out with me in today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed watching me create this very pretty, simple brown smoky eye look. Don't forget to like this video, leave me some comments in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos from me. Turn on the post notifications so you do not miss any of my future uploads, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye!